New paragraph tips for editor. When it comes to starting a new paragraph in essay writing, there are a few guidelines and tips that can help both writers and editors ensure clarity and coherence in the overall structure of the essay. Here are some key points to consider. Topic change. Begin a new paragraph when there is a shift in the topic or subtopic you're discussing. Each paragraph should focus on a single idea or aspect related to your thesis statement. New supporting evidence. If you're presenting new evidence, examples, or supporting details to back up your main points, it's a good idea to start a new paragraph. This helps to maintain a logical flow and makes it easier for readers to follow your argument. Change in perspective or viewpoint. When you transition from one perspective to another or introduce a contrasting viewpoint, it's appropriate to start a new paragraph. This allows for clear differentiation and helps readers understand the different perspectives being presented. Time or chronological shift. If you're writing about events that occur over time or discussing historical developments, it's common to start a new paragraph when there is a significant shift in the timeline. This helps readers distinguish between different time periods or stages of development. Transition words. Keep an eye out for transition words or phrases that signal a shift in ideas, such as however, in contrast, on the other hand, or furthermore. These words often indicate that a new paragraph is needed to introduce a different point or concept. Length and readability. Consider the length and readability of your paragraphs. Paragraphs that are too long can be overwhelming for readers, so it's generally advisable to break them into smaller, more manageable sections. Conversely, paragraphs that are too short can disrupt the flow and make the essay appear fragmented. As an editor, you can assess the overall structure and coherence of the essay by reviewing the paragraphs and ensuring they adhere to these guidelines. Check for clear topic sentences at the beginning of each paragraph, smooth transitions between paragraphs, and a logical progression of ideas throughout the essay. Remember that these are general guidelines, and there may be specific cases where you need to exercise discretion based on the context and requirements of the essay. Ultimately, the goal is to maintain clarity, coherence, and readability for the reader.